Hello friends, in this video we'll get acquainted with the Mariner stand and their latest products. Mariner is a relatively young company, founded by the Zennaro family in 1982. In 2020, they completely reinvented themselves and have been developing very dynamically ever since. And considering that the team consists of only 50 people, this is of course truly impressive and has captured the industry's attention. Let's take a look at what they're showcasing here at the Milan Salone. The main premiere is called Duel, and this is a project by the renowned designer and architect Fabio Novembre. By the way, he also designed the stand itself. As for this mixer tap, it features quite an unusual design, because the handle consists of two sticks, and the ends of these sticks have a distinctive knurling, which provides a rather comfortable grip. And what's more, no fingerprints are left if you opt for the galvanized finish. Here on this podium, all the finishes available for this series are on display. This includes galvanized finishes, ranging from simple chrome to brush surfaces, as well as powder coating. And here, do take note, there are also finishes that imitate metal, and these are accordingly significantly cheaper. But if you're not looking to economize and would rather opt for true quality that will last for generations, you'll also find a choice of 3 PVD coatings here, each in rather interesting shades: brushed copper, brushed light gold, the colour of champagne, and a very elegant bronze. In 1952, the great architect Ernesto Nathan Rogers coined a phrase that still perfectly describes people like me. From the spoon to the city, from the smallest object to the urban environment. For me, this is not a metaphor, but the very essence of the profession. Project can be small or enormous, but the intensity of thought must remain the same. I see no fundamental difference between the architecture of skyscrapers and a mixer tap. The scale changes, but the responsibility does not. When I was studying, there was no separate degree in design yet. There was an architectural education and a culture of the project. We were taught to think in terms of tasks, space, proportions, function, and the human being. That's why design a city, a building, or an object is the same professional act. In every case, you need to understand how the thing works, what it communicates, and what emotion it evokes. The emotions of the narrative don't belong to me, they belong to everyone. It's enough to recall our ancestors, who, after returning from the hunt to their caves, would, despite their exhaustion, draw scenes of what had happened on the walls. Even then, people strove not only to survive, but also to tell others about what they had experienced. It's the same with functionality. If I need to kill a mammoth, I have to sharpen a stone. If I need water to pass through an object, then it must allow water to pass through it. At the same time, I can give this object a shape, direct the flow of water, make it expressive. The mistake begins when functionality and emotion are treated as separate things. In reality, they always exist together. It's impossible to think about design fully without seeing these two components at the same time. Design is always a dialogue. That's exactly why I like the name Duel so much. It already contains the idea of a second participant, a connection with another person. The designer and the entrepreneur move together, almost like in a dance. There's an Argentinian saying I often quote, "It takes two to tango." A project always begins with a dialogue. The birth of a new idea is a dialogue. When this bridge between people is broken, conflicts and chaos begin. The design's task is to build bridges. We are the people who help the dialogue take place. When it comes to the bathroom, it's also important to look at its history. Traditionally, the bathroom was for a long time a public space. Just think of the Roman baths, where water and bodily experience were part of a collective culture. Today, the bathroom is increasingly becoming a private territory, I'm not sure I agree with this idea of absolute individuality and purely personal well-being. The idea of collective well-being is closer to my art. It's impossible to be truly happy on your own. At least I can't feel happy if those around me are unhappy. I'd like the bathroom to move not only towards privacy, but also towards a new collective experience. Perhaps this is where an interesting revolution could begin. A more open bathroom, more social, a space where water once again becomes a reason to meet and communicate. Maybe one day we'll start welcoming guests not only in the living room, but in the bathroom as well. I think this could become a very interesting direction for exploration. The second new feature is a whole series of collections by Tonino Lamborghini. And yes, it is the very same Lamborghini, directly connected to the brand of the famous sports car manufacturer. And of course, in these collections, you can absolutely feel that speed and power. There are 4 varieties on offer. The first is Hyper, which has a very interesting handle. It is 2-part with a very distinctive overlay silhouette. This overlay can be made either from steel or from carbon fibre, which is of course the most sporty, lightweight and durable material used in car manufacturing. There can be contrasting designs or monochrome ones. A very minimalist collection is called Spectra. Here, the distinctive feature is precisely the contrasting mixer handle. The most iconic, avant-garde, very powerful and rugged collection is called Raptor. And here you can really feel both the power and the aggression. And if you want to create a truly masculine interior, this would be an excellent choice. But if you prefer something softer, less bold, then you might want to consider Vortex. Vortex Whirlpools. Of course, here the lines are a bit softer, a bit calmer. And the scale of the mixer's a little simpler too. It's perfect for small bathrooms, perhaps for guest bathrooms. Another feature here is that you can choose the cover for the mixer handle. It can be made from carbon fibre or have a contrasting finish. The action wall spout is a great fit for both the Hyper and the Vortex, as it features elements from both collections. Tonino Lamborghini is a complete collection. So there are solutions not only for the basin, but also for the shower and the bath. And I think it's worth paying attention to a rather rare solution, a ceiling-mounted spout. Here we see it in a square profile, but it can also come in a round profile. All in all, a total solution is possible here for the bathroom as well.
The decision to create a bathroom collection was based on our experience in the world of real estate and hospitality. The bathroom became a natural extension of this logic for us because we see it as a space for relaxation, which also needs its own identity. In every project, we strive to emphasize individuality not only through the logo, but also through numerous design elements. The bathroom, in my view, is one of those spaces that a person encounters every day during their most private moments. That's why it was only natural for us to bring our design vision there as well. This idea is largely expressed through materials, for example steel, which comes from the world of mechanics, one of the main sources of inspiration in the history of the Tonino Lamborghini brand. Our design is bold, recognizable and at the same time elegant because for us this is fundamentally important. Despite its strong aesthetic character, the form must remain harmonious, not become tiresome over time, but rather reveal small details that can change the entire perception of the space. In the Tonino Lamborghini Residences project in Dubai, this idea has been beautifully realized and we are very pleased with the award we have received. Especially for these luxury residences, together with Mariner, we have created a unique product. It is very important to us that Mariner is open to developing products for specific requirements. In this case, we managed to combine design and materials that are significant for the Tonino Lamborghini brand. It is precisely this that has given the bathroom in the project its distinctly individual character. The perfect bathroom, in my opinion, is a space where one feels surrounded by beauty, yet has access to all the technological solutions and everything necessary for comfort, recovery and well-being. For us, it is important to combine functionality and aesthetics. The concept of Made in Italy is not just a declaration, but a whole frame of reference. Wherever in the world we may work, the expectations of the brand remain unchanged. We represent Italian manufacturing, Italian design, and the culture in which this design is born. Many of the materials we use are taken from the world of mechanics and other fields that Tonino Lamborghini has been involved with over the years. But for us, the main quality of Italian design lies in its ability to remain relevant over time. When you bring a genuine piece of design into your home, you realise that it is not a short-term trend. It is an investment in something that will remain beautiful, regardless of the passage of time. Mariner have managed to unite two worlds that are important to us, design and technology. They develop exquisite products, following our wishes regarding silhouettes, materials, and those elements through which the brand is recognised. Today, Tonino Lamborghini is no longer just a trademark. It is lines, proportions, and details that speak for themselves, even without the direct presence of a logo. Our collaboration with Mariner has truly been a success for us. In the very first year, we received the Red Dot Design Award, one of the most prestigious international prizes, and this confirms that the design has lived up to our ambitions. At the same time, we are seeing growing interest in the collection from both clients and distributors. It is extremely valuable that the Mariner team approaches the brand with the same passion as we do. I believe this is the perfect partnership.
And as for total bathroom, meaning a comprehensive solution for equipping the bathroom, Mariner offers this as well. The taps, in this case, are from the Logica Shine range. The wash basin with a matching pedestal finish, the bowl itself made from composite material. I particularly like the toilet roll holder with a shelf. In my opinion, this is now an absolutely essential feature. And the flush plate for the installation is really brilliant too. Why is it so brilliant? Because it fits concealed cisterns from as many as 12 different companies. It's almost impossible for this flush plate not to be compatible. The second point is that this flush plate is enclosed on all sides. You don't see the plastic mounting frame, which is usually visible, especially if you look at the flush plate from the side. And of course, I really like how precisely the buttons themselves are set flush with the panel. Moreover, they can be either round or square. The basin can be either floor-mounted or countertop. The Logica Shine mixer tap can come in a single lever version, including one for the bath with a standard swivel diverter. And for the basin, there can be a three-way version of the mixer tap. And in general, it should be said that Logica Shine is the evolution of the very popular and ultra-minimalist Logica collection, which is an absolute bestseller for Mariner. Here, you should pay attention to the ultra-thin, very elegant handle and the absence of any cutout, meaning that from the back, the mixer tap looks just as perfectly minimalist as it does from the front. And I really like how cleverly Mariner have hidden the hot and cold water markers beneath the handle. These two coloured dots don't spoil this exceptional look at all. The next new release is the Oasis collection of built-in mixer taps. These mixer taps can be used to control both shower systems, and they can also be a solution for the bath. The key feature here is the push-button switching of modes, as well as the adjustment of water pressure, which is actually a very important option. From an aesthetic point of view, it's quite a minimalist, soft design, which is a rather pragmatic choice for a shower. You can choose a single control panel, or you can opt for separate ones. I really like the vertical arrangement of the mode selection buttons. You can also choose the panel and its configuration to be either horizontal or vertical. And this collection is also available in a wide range of different Mariner finishes. Mariner pays attention not only to the aesthetics of its products, but also to the technical aspects, which ensure trouble-free use over a long period, ease of installation, and, of course, installation precision. This is precisely what the series of built-in elements is responsible for, which are also suitable for the Oasi collection. There is a solution with a thermostat, a push-button switch, and a plastic diverter. It should be noted that even such small items as bidet showers now have their own very compact and very slim boxes, and these round built-in elements are used for installing the Eden collection. And this is also a kinda local private paradise that you can create in your shower. These are simple mixers with push-button switching. Moreover, the buttons have individual flow adjustment. You can turn on 2 or even 3 outlets at the same time and adjust the flow. Here, it is worth paying attention to the overhead showers. The round one allows you to adjust the tilt, while this rectangular one with rounded corners has 2 modes: waterfall and tropical rain. And, by the way, the hand shower matches it perfectly in terms of design, also looking rather futuristic. It is worth noting the push-button mode switching, but I was particularly intrigued by this new hand shower, because here the modes are switched using a slider. And perhaps, for women with beautiful manicures, this is a more advantageous solution. But in any case, psychologically speaking, I think it looks safer. And another premiere from the Croatian designer Antonija.
They're the Stefanets.
She offers basins made from porcelain stoneware. There's nothing new here, except that they have a very unusual design. This design's somewhat reminiscent of a gemstone cut, and in some ways echoes the dynamic shapes of mixers from the Tonino Lamborghini series, which tells us that Mariner products pair excellently with one another. You really can combine these basins with any series of mixers with any series of shower solutions. A match both in terms of design and finishes, and you can customize your bathroom to suit the needs and requirements you have. Mariner also has its own solution for kitchen areas. These are kitchen mixers with an integrated drinking water dispenser. The drinking water can not only be clean and filtered, but it can also be chilled or even carbonated. These mixers can be operated either manually or electronically using a very informative display. If you've already been taken in by the Tonino Lamborghini aesthetic, there's also a version in the corresponding design. Of course, outdoor showers hardly surprise anyone these days. It's absolutely standard practice. In fact, I'd say it's essential for a good swimming pool, and it doesn't matter whether the pool is outdoors or indoors. As for the solution offered by Mariner, what stands out here is the very interesting architecture, because in most cases this item looks extremely dull. Mariner offers a truly designer solution for this situation as well. And generally speaking, when it comes to design, Mariner does everything very well. This is confirmed not only by my words, but also by some very prestigious design awards. For example, the Cobra series is quite interesting, very smooth, and indeed, the handle somewhat resembles the elegant movement of a snake. This series received the Red Dot Award in 2021, the German Design Awards in 2023, and the Big C Award. And that's just a single example. In fact, the Mariner company itself even received the Brand of the Year award in Germany. Mariner sells 90% of its products for export, and one of the main markets is Germany. In other words, Mariner is beating local German manufacturers on their own turf, and I think that's something worth paying attention to. Just as you should pay attention to the wide range of bathroom solutions offered by this wonderful company from the shores of Lake Orta. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, leave a nice comment, and of course, share this video with your friends. I'm sure they'll like it too.